In this video, I will show you how to get an API key for Claude by Anthropic. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. First, open your browser and go to platform.claude.com. Once you are on the website, log into your account. If you do not already have an account, create one and complete the registration process. After logging in, Claude may ask whether you want to use the platform as an individual user or as part of an organization. Select the option that best matches your needs and continue. In some cases, you may also see a payment setup screen. If you do not want to configure billing right now, simply click Skip for now and continue to the dashboard. Once you are inside the platform, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Under the Manage section, click API Keys. This page allows you to create and manage all of your Claude API keys. To generate a new key, click the Create Key button. You will be asked to enter a name so you can easily identify the key later. Choose any name you want and confirm the creation. Claude will then generate a new API key for your account. Make sure to copy the key and store it somewhere safe because this may be the only time the full key is shown. Once copied, you can use it in applications, scripts, automation tools, AI projects, or anywhere else that supports Anthropic's API. Your Claude API key is now ready to use. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.